If your kitchen feels messy and your veggies go bad too fast, this video is for you. I've tested and researched the best vegetable organizer for kitchen setups on Amazon that save space, keep produce fresh, and look amazing. From fridge bins to rolling carts, these organizers are total game changers for busy kitchens. Before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and detailed product information. All the products featured in this video are carefully selected based on quality, usability, and real customer reviews. 4-tier produce cart. The 4-tier produce cart is one of the most practical vegetable organizer for kitchen storage, especially if you need high capacity with flexibility. I really like how the 4 open wire baskets allow proper air circulation, which helps keep vegetables fresh for a longer time. The vertical design saves floor space while giving you plenty of room for potatoes, onions, fruits, and even packaged groceries. The rolling wheels are smooth and lockable, so you can easily move it around or keep it stable in one place. This organizer works great in kitchens, pantries, or even dining areas. It's sturdy enough to hold heavy produce without wobbling, making it perfect for families and meal preppers. If you want an all-in-one solution that combines storage, mobility, and durability, this 4-tier produce cart is a solid investment for an organized kitchen. Wire produce basket. The wire produce basket is a simple yet highly effective vegetable organizer for kitchen counters and pantries. I love its open wire design because it allows air to flow freely, helping fruits and vegetables stay fresh and dry. This basket is perfect for everyday produce like tomatoes, onions, apples, and lemons that you want within easy reach. It doesn't take up much space, yet it keeps your countertop neat and clutter-free. The sturdy metal construction ensures long-term durability, while the lightweight build makes it easy to move around. Cleaning is super easy. Just wipe it down or rinse it when needed. For home cooks who prefer a minimalist and budget-friendly storage option, this wire produce basket delivers both function and style. It's a great choice if you want an affordable vegetable organizer for kitchen use without compromising on freshness. Magnetic Veg Bin. The Magnetic Veg Bin is a smart and innovative vegetable organizer for kitchen spaces where counter storage is limited. What makes it stand out is its strong magnetic backing, which lets you attach it directly to your refrigerator or any metal surface. This turns unused vertical space into practical storage. It's perfect for holding garlic, onions, chilies, or small vegetables you use daily. I really like how easy it is to remove, refill, and clean. There's no drilling or installation required, making it ideal for renters in small apartments. Tech lovers will appreciate the clever design, while home cooks will enjoy quick access to ingredients. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly sturdy and reliable. If you want a modern, space-saving vegetable organizer for kitchen organization, this Magnetic Veg Bin is a smart and stylish option. 3-tier Veg Basket. The 3-tier Veg Basket is a great vertical vegetable organizer for kitchen counters that need better organization. With 3 stacked baskets, it allows you to separate fruits and vegetables neatly and making meal prep faster and easier. The open wire design promotes airflow, which helps prevent moisture buildup and keeps produce fresh longer. I like how it uses vertical space efficiently, making it ideal for small kitchens or crowded countertops. The sturdy frame stays balanced even when fully loaded, so you don't have to worry about tipping. It's also easy to assemble and fits well with most kitchen styles. Whether you're organizing daily groceries or planning meals for the week, this 3-tier basket keeps everything visible and accessible. If you want a compact yet spacious vegetable organizer for kitchen storage, this option delivers excellent value. Rolling Veg Stand. The Rolling Veg Stand is a flexible vegetable organizer for kitchen and pantry storage that offers both convenience and capacity. I really like how the smooth rolling wheels allow you to move it wherever you need, near the counter while cooking or into the pantry when not in use. The multi-tier design provides enough space for fruits, vegetables, and even kitchen essentials. Its sturdy metal frame supports heavier produce without bending or shaking. This organizer is perfect for busy home cooks and fitness fans who keep fresh ingredients on hand all the time. The open basket design helps maintain freshness through proper ventilation. It's also easy to clean and assemble. If you want a mobile and practical vegetable organizer for kitchen use that adapts to your lifestyle, this Rolling Veg Stand is a very smart choice. Clear Produce Bin. The Clear Produce Bin is an essential vegetable organizer for kitchen refrigerators and pantries. I love the transparent design because it lets you see exactly what you have at a glance. This helps reduce food waste and makes meal planning much easier. These bins are stackable, so they save space while keeping produce neatly separated. Built-in handles make them easy to slide in and out of fridge shelves. They're perfect for storing carrots, cucumbers, peppers, and other fresh vegetables. The durable plastic construction feels solid and long-lasting, and cleaning is quick and simple. For home cooks who value organization and freshness, clear produce bins are a must-have. If you want a clean, modern, and practical vegetable organizer for kitchen storage, this option works beautifully. Vent Veg Bin. The Vent Veg Bin is designed specifically to keep produce fresh for longer periods. This vegetable organizer for kitchen refrigerators features a ventilated design that controls moisture and airflow. I find this especially useful for leafy greens, berries, and moisture-sensitive vegetables. The vents help prevent sogginess and spoilage, which means less wasted food. The bin is stackable, allowing you to maximize fridge space while keeping everything organized. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and built for daily use. Health-conscious users and fitness fans will appreciate how this bin supports fresh eating habits. If freshness is your primary priority, this ventilated veg bin is an excellent upgrade for your kitchen. It's a smart solution for anyone serious about maintaining high-quality produce storage. Fridge Veg Bin. The Fridge Veg Bin is a classic and reliable vegetable organizer for kitchen refrigerators. It helps you sort and categorize produce, making your fridge look clean and organized. I like how it creates dedicated sections for different vegetables, which speeds up cooking and meal prep. These bins fit most standard fridge shelves and drawers, making them versatile and easy to use. The clear or semi-clear design lets you quickly check what's inside without opening everything. Durable materials ensure long-term use without cracking. For families, home cooks, and fitness fans, Fridge Veg Bins make healthy eating more convenient. If your fridge feels messy or disorganized, adding these bins can instantly improve both function and appearance. Sink Strainer Basket. The Sink Strainer Basket is a multifunctional vegetable organizer for kitchen prep and cleaning. I love how it works as a washing, draining, and temporary storage solution all in one. It fits over or inside most sinks, saving valuable counter space. The perforated design allows water to drain quickly, keeping vegetables clean and ready to use. This is perfect for busy cooks who want faster food prep without extra mess. It's lightweight, easy to store, and very simple to clean. Whether you're washing fruits, vegetables, or leafy greens, this basket improves efficiency in the kitchen. If you want a compact and practical vegetable organizer for kitchen use during meal prep, this Sink Strainer Basket is extremely useful. Label Veg Rack. The Label Veg Rack combines organization and style in one practical vegetable organizer for kitchen storage. What makes it special is the labeled sections, which help you sort produce clearly and efficiently. I find this especially useful for families and meal planners who want everything in its place. The open rack design promotes airflow, helping keep fruits and vegetables fresh. The sturdy metal or wire frame ensures durability while adding a modern look to your kitchen or pantry. Labels make cooking faster because you can quickly find what you need. This rack is both functional and visually appealing. If you want your kitchen to look tidy, organized, and intentional, this Label Veg Rack is a perfect finishing touch. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below for prices and full details. If this video helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top Amazon product reviews.